It is January the 8th. And let's see what we get. Look at this sell-off that we're getting here. Kind of a pullback to this monthly VWAP that we've been chopping around all day. Good evening. What's up, Baron? Jerwin, what's up, guys? We've got a whole bunch of people already with us this evening. Transit, Ray's here, David's here, Iggy, Kept Daddy's here, Baron, Alfie, Davon, Lorenzo, Roadrunner, Starscream. What's going on, guys and ladies? Let's see what we get. Yes, just kind of going straight down. So is NQ, silver, a little bit of a bump there from that composite. Does gold continue to trade up here? Could pull back to 75. On gold. That's going to be this LVN and yesterday's. I do like the short and gold. You know, I'm going to probably take a little position here for the price discovery on this Globex, but I think we're going to at least come back to 80 from here. 84.5. Thinking 77. So that would look something like that. Now, we are holding support above monthly band. Look at that. That purple line there, that's monthly band. That's monthly upper band. What's up, Kept Daddy? Josh. What's up, guys? Just trying to figure out what our next trade is. It's not moving at all. Maybe some partials down here at 82. That means I got to take more than one. See if it does it. I had a really good morning, so I'm going to play it pretty cautiously. We'll see if we get any better opportunities here. But for the most part, how did everybody else trade today? We might not get much out of this. Anybody else see anything? No, pretty quiet, JP. I am short on gold. You should be happy to know. We do have to get through this monthly upper band. If we crack that, I'm thinking we get down to 82 and then 77. My theory is that we're going to pull back to the other side of this distribution here. This one right here. And this is kind of our LVN, and that lines up with this point of control, value area high from yesterday. I just feel like we need to how I see it. Is there a lot? Looks like there's a big buyer. Holy crap, at 85 on the profile. Or seller. Look at it. You can really see it on the DOM profile. So this could be interesting. And we'd look to take our at 82.5 for partials there. Try to hold a runner. I don't think I'm going to give it this much room. I might actually close it here. I closed it. Small loss. I have a feeling we might chop here for a long time. Maybe we get a long here in NQ at this monthly view up 667. Yeah, that does look nice. That's also kind of a return to value on this distribution from today. Could work out really nice. I would expect a little bit of a pullback. I don't know. I think the market is primed for a ruckus. I really do. But I always feel that way. So it doesn't say much. I'm always very bearish. I think it's the tariff opinion, right? That's tomorrow. Whether they're legal or whatever, I'm sure they'll be legal. It's kind of a stacked Supreme Court on the conservative side. Okay, so I'm looking for the PDC short still or return to value. Return to value in the other direction. Look at that gold. You bastard. Well, I was right. Wasn't patient. Oh, I'm glad somebody got it. Now this is the area we have to get through. Obviously. 77. My target. Look at that PDC in silver too. Yeah. I still think we can go down to like 77. I get the VWAP Bounce short on NQ. $77 is the bottom of the distribution that we formed. It's an LVN and it's Wednesday's value area high. And it's also the high we put in right here. So how did everybody trade today? Green, red? Traded well, traded terribly. Bob, what are you doing? All gold? $79. Saw it. Here's VWAP. Don't touch it. What do you mean don't touch it? Oh. Tell me this thing plays off right to the tick. Yeah. Nice short. VWAP Bounce short to the tick. And would you look at gold? Going right to my target. Oh, it did hit my target. Nice. JP, hold it. Literally went right to my target and bounced. Oh, you're still holding. Whoa. So here's an LVN and yesterday's value are high. I mean, obviously, anything can happen, but I mean, this is where I think it would go. To be honest, this is it. This is the spot. Man, that trade played out freaking beautifully, didn't it? Silver crash. Oh boy. Do we buy it? Do we sell it? What do we do? Quick, tell me. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. Ray says, stay away from it. Don't touch that silver stuff. It's bad for you. $75. Dang. And ES back and Q back to the lows. All right, 2 good shorts. Put a W in the chat if you grabbed one of them. Nice. Look at you guys. A lot of people took it. Nice. Man, almost everybody in the room took it. Good job, guys. Got the setup, you take the setup. This one, the gold one was a little tougher. This one was NQ is super clean. I mean, gold was holding VWAP, but man, it dumped. Look at that. Even a caveman could do it. That's right, David. Is there a buy in here somewhere? I don't see one. I don't think we're in PDC yet. You know, this is it's a little too late for this. Gold. Super thin on the profile. Good times. What are we saying here? PDC, this could be the buy area. ES touched weekly. We're talking about ENQ, gold. Yeah, this is I mean, this is also don't forget. So when we get the Globe Asia Open, I want you guys to look left at where the VWAP on the previous session closed. Because these levels are still relevant, right? And if it helps you to remember, go back to the beginning and drop an anchor here. Oops. And then it'll run through it. It'll continue it. You want to keep an eye on those, especially in early Asia, because those aren't done. So now we're building a bit of a value area down here. Gold wants to go lower. Got a capitulation candle here too. I'm going to drop myself a little anchor off of that. Oh God. Does look like a good one, doesn't it? Holy crap. Silver's crazy. Moves so much. That tick value is nuts. Man, you must have gotten your heart pumping, JP. Full size silver? Deal. Tampa, but deal. We can talk about some size on some trades. I have some stories too, you know. War stories. We're going to corner the silver market. Oh, that LVN just moved. Love it when that happens. Well, caught a little short in silver. Very little. Trade in the cash account here. $266. Not bad for 40 minutes in the evening after dinner. We'll pay for my dinner tomorrow night when I bring my wife out. That'll be nice. That's about it, though. Nothing fancy, nothing big, guys. Wish I had more to show you. I want to hear more of JP's silver stories. Feel like that's going to make for a good time. I want to hear the gold stories too. I'm sure there's a couple of bangers in there. We'll laugh, we'll cry. Yeah, no, I agree. Are we talking about gold or silver or NQ? Gold is still going straight down. I'm going to get out of my cash account because I don't want to trade this anymore. I had a good $260. I'm happy with that. So I'm done here. Make sure all my positions and limit orders are closed. You know how that can go. You know what a disaster that can be. Can't press the cancel and exit all and mark it all and okay. Let's log out of here. Iran turned off their internet. Shit. I got one of these bracelets to monitor my strain and stress. Super interesting to see how it is during trading and stuff. It's actually very interesting. Oh man. It goes off the chain when I'm oversized is when it goes off the chain. This is the Whoop. The Whoop. It's actually really, really cool. You get a free trial. I paid like $10. And they send me the bracelet and they give me a month trial for just paying the shipping and on the bracelet. I haven't even paid for it yet, aside from the $9 I paid to ship the bracelet. But it's really interesting. Obviously, it keeps track of sleep and strain and recovery. But what's really interesting, it knows the difference between mental strain and physical strain. It's fascinating. I don't know how. It's a little better, David. It doesn't help at all in trading, Bob. 0. It's just interesting. It's just insight. I'm actually using it for my workout recovery. That's the most, and my sleep, kind of gauge my sleep and optimize my sleeping and fitness and nutrition and all this type of stuff. I want to be like a performance machine. I have a lot to do. Yeah, probably JP. Didn't we have an idea for something in this group? It was something like, it wasn't like a zap when over trading, but it was something like that. Oh, it was like a haptic version of Tick Strike. That's what it was. Haptic Tick Strike. So it would vibrate your wrist or whatever, or your chair, depending on how much aggressive buyers or sellers were on the tape. Well, that VWAP held, guys, but we're at point of control. I don't see any good trades. Gold's still going down here. We can go all the way down to weekly VWAP at this point. Look at these monthly VWAP buys. Good weekly one right there. Ooh, somebody just bought gold. I don't know about all that. I don't see a buy anywhere in here. It's too late to short. I see nothing. I saw it back up at 75. I don't know, guys. I think that's going down. FX pips. We're in price discovery on the Globex here. Well, I don't think I'm going to take any more trades here. I'm wrapping up at 266 in the cash account. Small winner. I did about 500 in the morning session. It's about a $750 day. 689 to be exact. Who's going to continue trading? All right, guys. I encourage you to head on over to the voice channels, my gold traders. I'll be back at it tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. We'll get a lot more moving. This gold, man. Imagine you held that short, JP. Where'd you close it up, JP? This short. Anybody still holding this short? That would be awesome. Went way beyond my target. Water bosses. What? Good for you, man. That's awesome. That's PDC, is it not? We held VWAP. Down it goes. Excellent. All right, guys. Well, head on over to the voice channels. Otherwise, manage your risk, stay sharp, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the New York Open. Have a wonderful night, guys. Thanks for joining me tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow.